In love, the stakes are high. When you live for no one,
Hindi ko nagugustuhan na halos hindi ka na umuwi dito sa bahay. May problema ba tayo?
Hi.
Drake!
Or when you have almost no one,
Sigurado ka na ba talaga na ayaw mo nang bumalik ng States?
Wala naman po akong babalikan dun eh. Wala na kaming bahay, wala na kaming pera, wala na rin si Mommy.
will you still bet your all?
30 days, dude. 30 days to make a girl fall in love with you. Sino? Siya.
This year's breakout love team.
Before it hits 12 noon, Sophia is mine. Whoops!
Drake!
Is coming to the big screen.
What are you doing here? Can't you see I'm taking a shower? Ano? Don't you know how to knock?
Liza Soberano. Enrique Hill.
Oh! Ah! Tomboy ka ba?
Hindi mo ba naisip na baka hindi lang talaga kita type?
How do I get you?
Question is, are you man enough to find out?
Just the way you are.
What are you doing here?
I want to know your secret so bad. I'm gonna be with you 24/7.
June 17 in cinemas.